Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about financial statements for companies. In this topic we will be covering introduction to company, definition of company, features of company, types of companies and format of balance sheet of company. Let's start with the introduction. A company is a registered association which is an artificial legal person having an independent legal entity with a perpetual succession, a common seal for its signatures, a common capital comprised of transferable shares, and carrying limited liability. According to the definition given by Professor Henney, a company is an artificial person created by law having separate entity with a perpetual succession and a common seal. Moving further, we will be discussing the features of company. The law considers a company as an artificial person. A company is a separate legal entity from its owners, that is, shareholders. A company has perpetual existence that is not affected by the death, lunacy, or insolvency of its shareholders. It can be wounded up only by the law. Every company has its own common seal, which acts as the official signature of the company. The shares of a company are transferable subject to certain conditions. The company is managed by the board of directors. The directors are representative of the shareholders. So, management and ownership are separate in an organization. The liability of a shareholder is limited up to the nominal price of shares subscribed by the one. Next, we will be discussing about types of companies. Now, there are three types of companies, namely private company, public company, and one-person company. First type of company is private company. Section 2, subsection 68 of the Companies Act 2013 defines a private company means a company which has a minimum paid up capital of rupees 1 lakh and which, by its article of association, restricts the right to transfer its shares, limits the number of its members to 200, excluding its past or present employee members. And lastly, it prohibits any invitation to public to subscribe for any of its securities. Second one is public company. According to Section 2, subsection 71 of the Companies Act 2013, a public company means a company which is not a private company and has a minimum paid up capital of rupees 5 lakh or higher as may be prescribed. A private company which is a subsidiary of a company not being a private company shall be deemed a public company. And the last one is one person company. Section 2, subsection 62 of the Companies Act 2013 states one person company is a company which has only one person as a member. Rule 3 of the Companies Rules 2014 provides that only an Indian citizen resident in India can form one person company. Its paid up capital is not more than 50 lakhs. Its average turnover should not exceed 2 crores. And lastly, it cannot carry out non banking financial investment activities. Thank you.